Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we will discuss on the string problem. Okay, so the question says a string ABCD attached to two fixed points A and D has two equal weights of 500 Newton. Okay, and 500 Newton attached to it at B and C as shown in the figure. See in the figure, B and C, the weights of 500 newtons are attached. Okay, and the weights rest with the portions AB and CD inclined at angles of 30 and 60 degree respectively with a vertical. See here, 30 at the A and 60 at the D. Okay, so those are suspended vertically. Find the tensions in the portions, that is T, you have to find out. Okay, TAB, TBC and TCD of the string. The inclination of BC with vertical is 120 degree. The inclination of BC with the vertical is 120 degree. Okay, so this they have given. Now our job is to draw the free body diagram. That is the first step in this kind of problems, correct? And you see here, for Lami's theorem we have to apply it when there are three forces, correct? But here what it is, 1 2 3 4 forces are there. Can we apply Lami's theorem here? Yes, we can apply. When we can split this string into two parts, then we will get this one and this tension. Okay, just move on to the problem now. We will just analyze this problem in a step by step so that you will understand better. Okay, so now what is the first step? To draw the free body diagram, correct? Okay, we'll draw a free body diagram for this. Okay, first we'll start from this point so that I can write the weight here and can mention T BA and TBC, correct? Okay, so I'm drawing free body diagram for this, the point at B. Okay, so free body diagram FBD at point B, correct? Okay, so now I'm drawing this. The B point is here. Okay, and this one is what? TBC. Okay, this one is TBC, and next below that the force is there, the weight is there is 500 Newton. Okay, and next see here another force is there, I mean another tension force. Okay, so this is in this direction. Okay, so now here they have given the degree, so I'm just drawing it. Okay, just like quadrants I said na in the previous problem. So this angle is 120 degree they have given. Okay, next if you consider this, okay, we'll just let you know TBA, this one, correct? This one is TBA. It is pulling force in this direction, correct? So it will be BA. So BA. So now by the property of alternate angle, okay, if you consider this in a Z direction, okay, if you consider this in a Z okay, shape, so this degree is equal to this degree, correct? Isn't it? Okay, so for that draw 30 degree here, make mark for that, mark 30 degree here. Okay, next, so this is done. What is next? See, if you consider this a straight line, what is the angle of a straight line? 180 degree. So for 120, how much I should add? 60 degree. So it will be 60 degree. Correct? Okay. For this, if you consider this as a straight line, if it is 30, what is the remaining angle? What is the remaining angle? This one. How much should be added plus 30 to make it 180 degree? 150. So that is the angle here. Understood? So if you consider the straight line, this one is already given. So for that, if I add 60, I will get 180 straight line. Okay. And for this, here I have taken 30 degree from the alternate angle property. So to make it 180 degree, the straight line is always 180 degree, correct? To equate that, for 30 we should add 150. So that is what it is written here. Okay. So these are given values. These are found out values. Understood how this free body diagram with the angle is given or made. Okay. So next, this is at point B. Next, for point C, we have to do the same. If you want, I will draw it here only. Okay. Then we can apply Lami's theorem. Correct? Okay. So this is point C. FBD at point C. Okay. So this is point C. And this one is tension force CD. Okay. So this one is weight. How much it is? Weight 500 Newton. Correct? Okay. So next, another one, this tension you have to draw. Okay. So this is slide like this. Okay. TCB. Understood? Okay. So now here the angle is given. If this is given, if I make a alternate angle here like this. Okay. So this angle and this angle is same. Correct? Isn't it? If I consider this as a Z, alternate angle, this angle is equal to this angle. Correct? So can I mark here? Okay. Can I mark here 60 degree? Correct? So this is what the alternate angle property is. Now, as you applied for the previous free body diagram, so just if it is a straight line, how much I should add to get 180 degree? 120 degree. Correct? Okay. Now, this side. Okay. So here, do you know any angle here? TCB. So this one is given, correct? Okay. Now you are applying this side. So if this is given, what is this one? If you take this as an alternate angle, this one is also 120 degrees, isn't it? See here, this and this. Same, correct? Alternate angles. So here it will be 120. So remaining is what? If you consider this as a 180 degree, here it should be 60. Understood how it came? Okay. Now our job is to apply Lami's theorem. So for this we will apply first, and for point C we will apply it next. Okay. So now apply Lami's theorem for free body diagram at point B. Applying Lami's theorem. Okay. So just now we'll start from TBA. So this is the force. Lami's theorem is applied when three forces are there and they are concurrent and in equilibrium. Okay. So this one is force we are taking. So opposite to is these two forces. The angle between this is 60 degrees. So sine of the angle between other two forces. Correct? TBA divided by sine 60. So here write it down. TBA divided by sine 60 is equal to, next, this force TBC divided by, what are other two forces? this and this. So sine of the angle between those two forces is 150. So TBC divided by sine 150. TBC divided by sine 150. Okay, is equal to, next is what? 500 Newton divided by other two forces are these two. Then sine of the angle between them is 120 plus 30 is how much? 150. So sine 150. 500 divided by sine 150. Okay, now our job is to find out TBC and TBA. Okay, so I will equate for TBA now. TBA is equal to, now you have to equate this and this. Okay, so these two you have to equate. What is that? 500, shift this here. Okay, sine 60 divided by sine 150. So you will get TBA value as 866.03 Newton. Okay, now similarly do it for TBC. Okay, so 500 into sine 60 divided by sine, this is sine 150. We are shifting this. Okay, so for these two we are doing 500 into sine 150 divided by sine 150. So this will get cancelled. So it will be 500 Newton. Okay, so now you have to apply for this one. Okay, now for point at C. Okay, now for point at C. So here, so now for point C, what will you do? Just apply Lami's theorem. TCB divided by other two forces are these two. Sine 120. TCB divided by sine 120 is equal to, next, TCD divided by sine 120. TCD divided by sine 120. Sine 120. Then 500 divided by sine 120. 500 divided by sine 120. See, everything is same. Correct? So you will get TCD and CB is equal to 500 Newton. So if you want, you can recheck. Okay, so I will just do it here. TCB is equal to, equate these two. What is that? Sine 120, I am shifting this to here, into 500 divided by sine 120. Okay, so this and this will get cancelled. What is it? 500 Newton. So that is what it is. I hope you understood the problem. So this completes your problem. So in the question they have asked us to find out tension force in AB. Okay, so here see AB, BC, CD. Okay, so we have found out AB or BA, BC and CD. Okay.
Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to your fave teacher for more civil engineering concepts. I'll see you in the next concept. Bye!